Imran Khan's legal woes began after he made this fiery speech at a rally in Islamabad, accusing the Pakistan Muslim League, the country's ruling party, of arresting and torturing one of his top aides.
Islamabad Inspector General and Deputy Inspector General, we will not spare you. We will file a suit against you. And Magistrate Ziba Chowdhury, you should also get ready, as we will take action against you. You all should be ashamed of what you have done.
Khan now faces terrorism charges for threatening state officials. The Interior Minister accused him of instigating extremism in society and inciting rebellion. A no-confidence vote in April ousted the one-time cricket star turned politician. It stemmed from public anger over the rising cost of living and an alleged falling out with the army. But Khan promised he wouldn't quietly go away and has been on a mission to prove he's still a powerful figure in Pakistan. He upped the ante by holding rallies across the nation.
Our fight for real freedom will continue until we get rid of this imported government and elections are held. We will struggle together.
In response to his rallies, the government has banned the broadcast of his speeches. Pakistan's media authority described them as hate speech against state institutions. But Khan says he's the real victim of a crime.
Now comes the Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority that says Imran Khan cannot be aired live. What crimes has Imran Khan committed? I will never accept this gang of thieves. This is the crime of Imran Khan. This is the crime.
Since Khan lost power in April, his popularity has surged, which also helped his party win last month's by-elections. But Khan's tactics have also escalated an ongoing game of tug-of-war with his successors and the powerful military leadership, a game that could land him in prison. Ahad Fadli, The Newsmakers.